Senator Bato, eto na naman tayo. While very abhorrent, your statement about controversy is not surprising. Kasuklam-suklaman yun. Hindi na nakapagtataka. Siyempre, kaya-kaya ka sa mga puon mo na mga Duterte. Pag walang maisagot sa issues, pagbabanta at ad hominem ang gagawin nyo. Atake sa karakter ng isang tao at pisikal na anyo ang aatakihin nyo. This is conduct so unbecoming of a senator and a former chief of police. And you want to be re-elected as a senator? Anong kasi ni swerte? I can assure you that all the family members of stroke survivors will do everything they can for you not to be in the top 12. Isa na ako dun. My mom had a stroke just 2 years ago. You have no idea of the anguish that family members go through. First, not knowing whether their loved ones will survive. And then, the painful process of recovery. And to have someone like you to trivialize all of that with an insensitive comment na papantayin mo yung niwi ng mukha with physical violence. Ano ka? Anong klaseng tao ka? There is no excuse for your comments. Kahit anong stress pa ang pinagdadaanan mo, there are higher expectations for elected officials. It only means that you are not able to think before you speak, and that, of course, you will not be an impartial senator judge in the impeachment hearings. Kaya mga kababayan ko, hindi na ito dapat manalo sa eleksyon na ito. Also, Senator Bato, bago pa ako magpaalam sa'yo, meron akong tanong sa'yo. Sabi kasi ni Kong Percy, gamitin mo daw yung tapang mo sa ICC at sa China. Totoo ba yun, Senator Bato, na pag ang ICC at ang China ang hinaharap mo, totoo ba yun na ang meaning ng bato ay ito? Totoo? DAYAG ay tumitiklop ora mismo. Bato, BAYAG ay tumitiklop ora mismo. Hala ka! Yun ba ang lihim mo, Senator Bato? Nagtatanong lang ha. Have a good rest of your day. Bye!